Vision is found everywhere in modern technology. OpenCV is a native cross-platform C++ library for computer vision, machine learning, and image processing. It is considered to be one of the best open source libraries. This course is a blend of text, videos, code examples, and assessments, which together makes your learning journey all the more exciting and truly rewarding. This course has been prepared using extensive research and curation skills. Each section adds to the skills learned and helps you in building real-world applications using OpenCV. So what are the prerequisites for this course? You should have a basic knowledge of C++. Along with that, you should have CMake and Visual Studio installed on your systems. To ensure that you are left with maximum learning, this course is designed in modules. The first module deals with the basics. In this module, we cover the installation of OpenCV on different platforms. We cover how to create OpenCV executables in CMake and delve into histograms and filters. The second module, that is objects in images. We cover automated optical inspection, object segmentation and detection. We also understand what is object classification. In the third module, that is tracking in videos, we cover overlaying face mask, video surveillance, background modeling, and morphological operations. We also cover object tracking. In the final module, text recognition, we cover text segmentation algorithms for text recognition and learn how to use the Tesseract OCR engine for text recognition. We finish the course with a brief introduction to machine learning with OpenCV. Pack courses are very carefully designed to make sure that they are delivering the best learning experience possible. Not to worry though, we won't bore you with the details of educational concepts like Bloom's taxonomy. The simplest way to think about our content is these 3 super simple steps. Step 1 is all about communicating key concepts clearly and effectively. We do this with a mixture of hands-on practical coverage and visual demonstrations about what's going on under the hood. This is the foundational knowledge that you will draw from throughout the entire course. Step 2 is where we dive into worked examples. With a core understanding of key principles under our belt, we can actually put them to work in the real world. Our peer-reviewed sample applications help you follow along with your instructors. Every single one has been fully tested by our in-house team of technical experts so that you can be sure you won't be left scratching your head as you progress. Step 3 is where we challenge you to build upon and extend our example projects. We really recommend committing to breaking and tinkering with our provided applications. It will help bring all of your learning together, whilst also allowing you to potentially extend our initial repositories into new technical demos or portfolio pieces. Together, these 3 key stages form the top level basis of your learning experience. To make this all happen in one complete course, we have assembled a great team of editors and expert instructors. All of our instructors are highly qualified, even before they are sourced as packed authors. We have specifically gone out into the world and recruited a talented variety of real-world experts to put together the best and most comprehensive course possible. Pratik is an artificial intelligence researcher, published author of 5 books, and TEDx speaker. He has been an invited speaker at technology and entrepreneurship conferences including TEDx, AT&T Foundry, Silicon Valley Deep Learning, and Open Silicon Valley. He has also been featured as a guest author in prominent tech magazines. David is the author of the Daimler's blog, where he publishes research articles and tutorials about OpenCV, computer vision in general, and optical character recognition algorithms. Vinicius is a computer graphics university professor at PUCPR. He started programming with C++ 18 years ago and ventured into the field of computer gaming and computer graphics 10 years ago. His former experience also includes working as an IT manager in document processing applications in Cynix, a company that focuses in BPM and ECM activities, building games and applications for Positivo Informatica, including building an augmented reality educational game Exposed at CBIT and network libraries for Siemens Enterprise Communications, Unify. Robert is a professor at the School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science of the University of Ottawa, Canada. He co-founded Visual Cortec in 2006, an Ottawa-based video analytics startup that was later acquired by iWatch Live in 2009. He's also a consultant in computer vision and has assumed the role of chief scientist in a number of startup companies such as Cognitive Corp, iWatch Live, and Tempo Analytics. Alongside our expert team of instructors are a highly experienced editorial staff. For this course, your editor, Tabish, is here to help you every step of the way. We highly recommend using the Q&A section on your course page to follow along with your peers, share answers, and even collaborate on larger projects. If you're after something really specific, you can get in touch with your editor directly by sending a message to us via our profile on Udemy. Before we dive right in, it's worth bearing in mind that you will get the most value out of this course by pacing yourself appropriately, in particular setting aside the time to work through quizzes and examples. Everything we include has a purpose and will help you build the skills that you need to stay relevant in the real world. We hope that you enjoyed this and any other courses you might purchase from Pact, and with the basics out of the way, we can jump right in and get started with our first instructor.